Hi guys, it's such a beautiful day here in Nassau, Bahamas. Yes guys, I am back home here in the Bahamas. Yes, and it's such a beautiful day. I just want to start this video here just to have a little talk with you guys to let you guys know why I have not been posting and what's really going on with me. But I want to take a little short video from my balcony, like I said, and just sit down and have a little conversation with you guys. And I want to do this video from here. It's for me, it's for my keepsake. I have never done a video from this balcony before, and I just wanted to do it because the day is beautiful and I want to have this for my keepsake. Because you guys know, many of you, most of you should know that I now reside in the United States. I do not live here in the Bahamas. Well, of course, I have my home here, but I don't live here. If you can look in the distance there, behind that green top building there, there's a truck passing, but a lot of noise. If you look, this white building here with the green top, if you look like right in the distance behind it, that is Atlantis. And if you look this way, and if you look this way here behind that big almond tree there, you can see the cruise harbor. I can see it pretty well, and if this camera could have zoomed, I would have zoomed in for you guys to see it. Guys, I'm going to use my phone so I could try to zoom in so you can see more of what I am seeing. Now, it's not going to be good because I'm not good of using my phone to video, so it may be a little bit shaky, but just bear with it for a short period of time. Yeah, but I can see the Atlantis, the cruise ship in the harbor. I can see it pretty good. And it's shaking. See the cruise ships right there. And if we pan over this way here, we can now see the Atlantis Hotel, our Paradise Island. Yeah, I know it's a bit shaky, guys. I'm trying to do this piece here just insert it so you guys can see. Yeah, so yeah, that is Atlantis. And let's go back to the cruise ships again. And there goes the cruise ship. So, yeah. So it's nice just to sit here sometimes. I don't usually come out on this balcony, but once in a while I do. And I guess it's the most I've been out here since I've got back. Yeah, so. Yes, my main reason for not posting videos as of late is because since I came back here to the Bahamas, I've been quite busy. And for those of you who have been watching my videos of last year, I started a project on the house, and that project is what I am now continuing on to try and complete it. It's been a lot of work. It's been a lot of hard work. It's been a lot of dedication from myself to try and get it finished. I had to push myself sometimes. Sometimes I just want to get up and enjoy the beautiful, sometimes I just want to get up and come up here on this balcony and just sit back and relax, have a drink, and watch the cruise ship sail in and out of the harbor, guys. But guess what? That was not to be. Your girl was hard at it, working day and night. Man, listen, you guys wouldn't imagine, you can't imagine the work I do. I can't believe the work I do sometimes, but anywho, I have to get it done. Yes, I have been working my backside off. And I'm just hoping that in the long run it pays off. And I can't wait to relax myself, to lay down, lay off somewhere and just relax myself, you know. Yes, but until that time, I have now to continue doing my work, okay? I just want to show you guys what I got for my Christmas gift from my daughter and my son-in-law. Yeah, and I am so appreciative for that. Hey, hey. Guys, don't be jealous. I know you guys are not jealous. And I thank you guys who always come back to watch this lady videos. And if by chance you have come across this channel for the very first time, I say thank you so much for clicking on, and thank you so much for watching. And please consider subscribing and give this lady a thumbs up. Share the video, leave a comment, guys. Y'all please leave a comment, and don't forget to set that notification bell so that whenever I post videos, you will definitely be notified. So yeah, guys, let's show my Christmas gift. I know Christmas been gone a while now, but it seems like it was just yesterday, and that just goes to show how fast this year is going. It seems last year went by fast, and this year seems to be going by even faster. Oh my God, who can tell? But anyway, I give God thanks for life. You know, I'm still here, and I guess we all are thankful that God has given us a long life, those of us who are still here to celebrate and to see each and every beautiful day, you know. So let me stop running now, because I can talk, and y'all ain't here to hear me talk all kind of crap. Let me show y'all what I got for my Christmas gift. Hold tight. Yes, guys, I got me a new camera. A DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Now my daughter noticed that my GoPro, and if you've been watching my videos, you notice that my GoPro tends to go off quite often, and GoPro itself tends to get hot. The battery tends to get hot, and when the battery gets hot, it cuts off. So this camera here, I started to familiarize myself with it, but I still gotta look at it some more, because I want to be using it when I leave here. When I leave the Bahamas, yes guys, I want to be using this. So thankful to my daughter and my son-in-law, which I already thanked them during Christmas. Yes guys, so your girl get herself. Yes, look at that, look at that. Yeah. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Yeah. Oh my God, it is so clear. Not down in my GoPro. My GoPro is still good, you know. Yeah, so that's the thing. It's a GoPro. I think it has everything, and this is the backup battery. The backup battery, and the next little piece of extension thing that you put on it, and I guess this is the charger, and the microphone. Yes, the little microphone. I can't wait to be using this. Okay, so you guys can hear me better. I wish I had it hooked up so you guys can hear me better from the noise on the street out there, but I thank God for this. I am so happy, and I can't wait to get started with this camera. Yeah, and I think this is a little wide lens that came with it, so I can put this. I think this. Oh, when this is on, you can you can attach this right here. I think that's how it go, eh? Gotcha. Okay, you can attach it right there if you want a wide lens on it. Yeah, so yeah, so guys, I guess this is the holder. This is the holder that you I'm gonna put this. I think this lens can go, this wide lens can go in here. Yeah, it's like a magnet, so it sticks in there. And this is the little pocket for this. Am I doing it right? Yeah, I think I am. Like I said, guys, I gotta get familiar with this. Hey, did I turn it off? Why is the eyes so... Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is the way it holds into this little pocket thing here to protect it, you know? Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that is the reason why I haven't been posting anything to YouTube lately. But those of you who've been watching my old videos, you would have known that I started doing some work last year on the house. And I'm trying to complete that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So nice out here. But trust me, somebody else will be enjoying this, because, you know, I'm not going to be here in the Bahamas too long. I'll be leaving. Maybe when you are watching this video, I will probably not be here in the Bahamas. I'll be on my way back home. Yeah. So I am trying to find another way to present my videos so it could be a little bit interesting than it is now. But I'm not really going to change how I video. I just need a different format. Or I think that the way that I'm presenting it, my videos are not too interesting for people, for most people, and that's probably why they are not subscribing. You know, I have a whole lot of you guys that are watching, hey, but you're not subscribing. So I'm begging and I'm pleading for you guys to please subscribe, man. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay for that. It is totally free, okay? So when I leave the Bahamas, I'm trying to do a little something new. It's not new, but I want, like I said, I want to present it a different way, okay? But I'm not too clear as yet as to how am I going to do that. But I'm going to try my darndest best to make it a little bit more exciting for you guys to click on and to continue to watch it, and not click on and just click back off, okay? Because I would love you guys to watch it from the beginning to the end, okay? Yeah, so guys, with all that said, I wouldn't keep you guys too long talking, because, you know, talking sometimes can be boring, especially if you're not interested in it. And look at me going on and on and on and on. Hey, girl, shut your mouth, shut up, and get on with your work. So anyway, guys, let me go. So come go with me and see what your girl gonna do next, okay?
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna